Hey, welcome to my kitchen flavors, and I hope you are doing really well and are super excited about 2023 like me. I'm so thrilled to be back here with this buttery melt in your mouth braised greens that's ready in just 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. So in this bag are my mixed greens. I bought these about 3 days ago, and to keep them fresh for longer, I wrap the greens in newspapers, which I place in a Ziploc bag, and then I place the bag in the fridge. Here I have what we call nakati here in Uganda. I don't know the English name for this leafy green, but it's somewhat bitter to the taste, which is really awesome. Then I also have some collards or sukuma wiki, and I'm placing these in a large mixing or washing bowl in the sink. Now here I have some organic green amaranth or kalulo or dodo and some Swiss chard, which I'm adding to the bowl. Now we're going to give our leafy greens a really good wash. I do this in about 3 to 4 changes of water, and when the greens are nicely clean, we're going to go ahead and chop them up. So it's really important to chop your greens very finely until they look something like this. Remember, they are very different with varying cooking times, but since we're going to be cooking them all at once and in just 5 minutes, it helps that they're chopped as finely as possible, okay? Now I'm just transferring my prepared greens to a colander to drain any excess water, and then we'll start cooking. Here I have some butter, which is the star of the show. I'm going ahead to melt it in my pan, and when that's done, I'm going in with my spices and seasonings, which is just salt and chili powder, which is optional. I'm also adding another optional ingredient, which is thinly sliced red capsicums for some contrasting color, and then I'm going in with my leafy greens. I will cover everything up and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. And in the time, I want to share this word from the scriptures, which I believe is perfect to enter the new year, because by it, you'll always see the glass half full. So this is 5 minutes later, and my greens are nicely cooked, and you just want to take a pronged tool like a fork or what I'm using and mix up the ingredients, and then your buttery mixed greens are ready to be served as a side dish. So I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and until my next one, which is going to be next year obviously, God bless you and happy 2023. May it be the best one for you yet, okay? Bye!